Hi, I'm Nikki Conti, the Associate Director of Public Outreach and Education at the State's Health Connector. We are here to offer health insurance coverage to individuals, families, and small businesses who need access to affordable and comprehensive coverage. On our website at mahealthconnector.org, there are tools that somebody can use before they even enter or complete an application. So let's say if someone has a particular physician or provider that they want to keep a relationship with, they can enter that information to the standalone tools. They can preview plans that meet their needs. We have free assistance available to people through our customer service center. There is also free assistance available for people through state navigators. Make an appointment with one of our navigators, and our navigators can help somebody wherever they are in the process. We want to keep this process as simple as possible so that health insurance is just one part of someone's life, and that they can feel a little bit more comfortable at night.